Plantar fasciitis is a disorder that causes acute pain at the heel and the sole of your foot. It can affect both men and women who have to walk, stand or run on the hard surface for a longer period. This is very common in runners, workers, teachers or housewives. Even using shoes with poor arch support is also one of the reasons behind the plantar fasciitis. Those who are suffering from this problem are facing some common signs and symptoms, like heel pain, inflammation, pain at foot arch, difficulties in walking or standing, limping, stiffness in the heel after a long period of inactivity, and also acute pain after bearing weight. The problem is often worst in the morning and after a long period of sitting. What is Epsom salt? Epsom salt is nothing but a mineral compound of magnesium and sulfate, which is known as magnesium sulfate. It is composed of tiny colorless crystals that look like table salt but entirely different thing. Magnesium is one of the important elements that are essential for our body. Magnesium worked as a natural anti-inflammatory and used to treat muscle aches and dry skin. Sulfate helps in removing toxins from the body. How to use Epsom salts? To get relief from heel pain or the plantar fasciitis, you have to take 2 or 3 tablespoons of Epsom salt in a bucket of water. The water should be hot but not beyond your comfort level. Now allow your feet to be soaked for at least 20 minutes twice a day for at least 2 weeks, and you will see the result. One more thing I want to mention here: if you're going to get the better and quick result, then you should add 4 drops of peppermint oil, 8 drops of eucalyptus oil, 6 drops of rosemary oil, an ounce of arnica tincture with the Epsom salt mixed water, and see the magic. Caution to keep in mind: though the Epsom salt is safe medicine to make you free from all kind of pains, there is some problem which should not be omitted. If you have diabetes, you should keep in mind that soaking your feet in Epsom salts may dry your feet, which is not good news for you. To prevent this, you must rub your skin with cream after soaking.